Well, hello everybody, welcome back to another Forex market analysis session. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I am a professional trader and a programmer as well. If you guys are new, what I'm doing here, I'm showing you the setups that I have on my radar, explaining you the hints and tips of technical analysis. I explain you how to read the price chart, as well as touching some psychological things that you may face as problems in your trading. So let us start then. My analysis consists of two parts. I first analyzed the higher time frame to find support resistance levels, to identify what price is doing now and to predict what price is most likely to do next. And then I'm switching to my trading time frame to find some reasons for entry, to decide how can I get involved and to execute the trade. Well, let us start then. First, what I want you to pay attention is this market movements. I am a swing trader, that's why I like to draw the swings on the market, at market. Okay, downside movement, outside return, downside movement. Once again, this movement has candles with lower low and lower close if compared to previous low. Then we have an outside return, and then we have another new structure low. We have candles with lower lows and lower close is if compared with previous low. And what we have now, it is an outside return. We all know that broken support should turn into a resistance. If you look here and consider this to be a support level, now this broke into the downside and price came to that same level and it should turn into a resistance. Okay, so somewhere I decide to go to the downside. Okay, I also want you to pay attention to this small consolidation period. 1, 2, 3, 4 days price was moving sideways, so I am expecting at this same level price to move in the same manner, something like that, consolidating to the downside, to the upside, before it either goes to the upside or to the downside. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so let me switch to the lower time frames to find some reasons for entry. And the first time frame I see is the 4-hour time frame, and we have a wonderful Gartley pattern formation here. What is that Gartley pattern formation? It is a W-type structure which has the Fibonacci based ratios of the swings it contains of. So let me draw the first swing of that formation, and we have a retracement to at least a 618. Then we need to measure that retracement, and we have the second retracement to 618 as well. If these two criteria are met, 618 followed by another 618, then the 127 is the completion of this pattern. And it is usually drawn with triangles. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Two triangles connected. So this is how the pattern looks. 127 is the completion of the pattern, and it is the place where the sell limit order is placed. So where is the target placed? The target is the 382 from the lowest low to the entry, and 618. 618 is here, 382 and 618. And where is the stop loss? You need to measure the 382 as 100, and you need to drag to see the 786. Here it is, the 786 line for your stop loss. 786% of your target level. Now you can see this is the entry, the stop, and the targets. Let me draw it. I'll let the stop be red. This is your stop loss. And let the target be green. Target number 1 and target number 2. So obviously, if this setup only works 50% of the time, you will generate money. But actually this pattern is about 60 to 65% accurate if it is in combinations with support and resistance levels. Okay, so the tactics is as follows. Wait until price goes to the upside, like this, to the upside. Sell limit is executed, and then wait until it either goes to the target or it goes to stop loss. Very simple. Place the trade and that's it. Okay. Well, it may look a bit complicated to know all those ratios for the pattern, to know all those rules for entry, where to place the sell limit order, how to calculate the stop loss, the take profit number 1, take profit number 2. That's why I have created a number of scripts that will do all that work for you. You just only need to find some structure that is looking this way. 1, 2, 3. I mean, you need to have a kind of movement followed by retracement and followed by next retracement if compared to each other. The second movement is a retracement as compared to the first one, and the third movement is a retracement as compared to the second. So when you find this thing, and then you just run my manual pattern search, and it draws the pattern automatically. You also have some information about that pattern. It is called a bear Gartley. It is valid. Stop loss is 88 pips and the target is 112. Okay guys, hope you like that. If you want me to send you a copy of my script, please contact me on TradingView private messages or on Facebook. You will find the links in descriptions to this video. What else? Please give me your thumbs ups, share this video on social media, comment, write your comments if you like this video or dislike, and please tell me why do you like this or why you dislike this video. Until then, I hope you will trade your trading plan, and goodbye.